Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a maintenance wash and wax on this beautiful 2022 Mercedes C300. This is one of the newest cars I've had the chance to detail. As we can see, it has been a bit neglected. It is caked with a layer of dust. As the car is still relatively new and the Mercedes, there is no swirl marks or scratches on the paint, therefore this only needs a maintenance wash. Mercedes are known for having good quality paint which doesn't scratch easy. Quite a beautiful car. Stay tuned till the end where I'll tell you my favourite feature about the car. This luxury sedan deserves the best care possible and protection of the paint, so that's what we're going to do. And we can see just the amount of dust on the car. Have a look at this. Oof. All right, let's get that sorted. So as always, we start with the wheels. The wheels are the dirtiest part of the car at the moment. These wheels are a detailer's nightmare. Don't get me wrong, they look fantastic. However, to clean them and get between the 348 spokes is very time consuming. So we clean between the spokes, then hit the tyre with a tyre brush, and then we clean the face of the wheel with a small brush. Get into the lugs and the emblem on the wheels, or the hubcap, and we rinse it off. So this is what it looks like after a clean, and this is how it was given to me. Look at the difference between the two wheels. I told you they look fantastic. Now for the foam cannon. I've decided to use a thicker foam because there was a large layer of dust on the car. Hopefully this will get most of the dust off. Enjoy these cinematic shots. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Now time to rinse off. The rinse doesn't need to be perfect as we're looking to complete the contact wash straight after. As this is quite a new car, it has all the tech advancements in it. It is almost self-driving with the cruise control on as it keeps a certain distance from the car in front, corrects you when you're drifting to one side of the lane and warns you when you have your hands off the steering wheel. So now it's time for the contact wash. As always, straight lines to minimise swirls. The interior is interesting. It's almost like there's just one iPad in the middle of the interior and that controls everything. So it's interesting to see how the new cars are wired. So then we rinse off and we dry straight after. So I'm using Turtle Wax Flex Wax as the spray wax and drying aid. The reason for this is that the color of the car is quite dull and mattish. I shouldn't say dull, but it's a beautiful color, but it's not glossy is what I'm trying to say. So I'm using the Flex Wax as it is thicker and will give a bit of a shine to the car. So then we finish off with the tire shine. And there we have it. What a beautiful car. We got it looking mean again. Please like, comment and subscribe, but stay tuned for the next bit. So this car completely transforms at night. It makes night driving so enjoyable. So as we turn the car on, we agreed with a large Mercedes hologram, and I'm talking large. So we then get into the car and it's like you're at a rave. Beautiful neon lights in the interior. So it gives you the option to change these interior lights. It also recommends some color schemes to go together. So as you can see, I'm just changing them as we speak to whatever I want, to my preference. Which I do like the purple. So yeah, if we hit the multicolor button, it gives you just some color schemes that go together. And I guess if you want to replicate an animal or what have you, it definitely has that too. This is another cool feature. So when you turn the heating up, as you can see, the color turns red on your side, as if to show that it's going to be hotter. And when you turn it down, it goes to blue. And then the same on the other side as well. The sunroof is all swipe controlled, so there's no buttons needed. As I said, this car makes night driving so enjoyable. I wish Mercedes were paying me for this, but they're not. What a magnificent car. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. It really helps a small channel like mine. Thanks again.